Tough applications? Complicated facility layout? No problem. Our VentMapping engineering process gives us complete visibility into your air quality challenges and solution options.
I design applications, I design solutions for applications. I do anything that helps develop a solution for our customers, mainly utilizing computational fluid dynamics in a process that we call VentMapping. VentMapping helps a lot with that because we're able to show them ahead of selling them the system what it's going to do and how it's going to help them. So they're able to see a visual representation using the computational fluid dynamics or CFD. They're able to see what results they'll achieve with the solution we put in place.
You can trust our people to solve your problems.
Our people here at RoboVent, they're the most important part of what we do. They have passion for industrial air filtration. It's in their blood. They're industrial air filtration geeks. They're passionate about solving these problems. They're curious about solving these problems.
Ready to get started? Let's get going. Expert ventilation design and engineering doesn't have to be a challenge. And with RoboVent, it isn't.